with Alex.
Thanks, Susie. The weather is not at its best today. Storm Amy is going to bring us some strong winds and some further outbreaks of rain. The greatest impact of this storm towards the northwest, but for us here in the east, we can expect some pretty strong wind gusts, particularly tomorrow morning, 45 to 55 mile-an-hour gusts, and further outbreaks of rain to come this afternoon and this evening. So looking fairly grey here in Norfolk. There has been a fair bit of rain out there, but it's not particularly cold. A fairly humid air mass, 17 or 18 degrees. The wind's already picking up and they'll really ramp up this afternoon. So some further rain to come. Into the evening and overnight, we'll see some intense bursts of rain developing. So it could be some pretty heavy downpours. And then from midnight, a yellow weather warning for those wind gusts. They're likely to peak tomorrow morning, but certainly looking very windy by the very end of the night. In terms of overnight lows, it's pretty mild out there, 11 to 13 degrees. And tomorrow morning, the storm moving to the north, but that's where we get these strongest winds blowing in from the west or northwest. And potentially there could be even higher gusts around the coastline. So particularly tomorrow morning is when they're likely to be at their strongest, but really right through the day, that weather warning not expiring until 7 o'clock. There'll be quite a bit of dry weather tomorrow, some blustery showers to come as well, and feeling quite a bit cooler, 13 or 14 degrees. And after that, high pressure starts to build in from the south, so we'll start to see more dry weather conditions, but it is still going to stay pretty windy, certainly for Sunday, Monday and into Tuesday. Some sunshine around, but also some fairly blustery conditions. And a fairly settled pattern of weather looks likely for us here in the east over the next few days and into next week. So after that storm has moved through, we have that mild air in place. So we have got a few nights where it's down into single figures and a little cooler. Susie.
Alex, thank you very much.